When you go, I'll start.
Zaya, come.
Okay, go. Zaya, come here.
Oh, this feels kind of nice.
Come here.
Alright, are we ready?
Yes.
I don't think so.
I don't know. No, that's not right. It has to stay on your head.
These are kids. You're trying to cheat against kids? These are your kids.
He's trying to cheat against his own
Can I
kids.
get on my knees then?
I don't care.
Yes, you can get on your knees.
You do what you want. I don't care. You gotta keep the bucket on top of your head. There you go. Go.
Ray was not consulted on this choice.
You're not any better on your knees than you were standing up. There you go.
Ray, this is a full-fledged.
Yeah, you lost.
This is.
Orange, don't hurt.
You're ambitious.
The orange ones don't work really well.
Okay, he definitely beat me.
Stop. Stop. Oh, stop it. How many do you have?
I've got 6.
Okay, you